LingoTingo, linguistic literacy for tiny talkers by Rositi Muslima. Lingo. Let's learn to read the English alphabet. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Let's do it one more time. A, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Well done! We have completed our lesson. Click the subscribe button for next lesson.